Yes, yes, yes. What is going on, MFG? What is going on? Hey, man, always remember whatever it is you think about comes about. And listen, no bullshit. Whatever it is you focus on grows. Let's talk about a little bit of cash flow or money here. What do you know?
One key this election cycle is the rise of crypto super PACs and the impact they're making on both sides of the aisle. Let's get to Mackenzie Sagalos for that story. Morning, Mackenzie.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So those crypto super PACs, which are outraising the big banks and oil this cycle, are now starting to warm up to Democratic presidential nominee Kamala Harris. An FEC filing just out this week shows that the Ripple Labs co-founder Chris Larson donated $1 million in the XRP token to the Future Forward Super PAC. Now, that committee is supporting the VP's run for the White House and began accepting donations in digital tokens back in September. All in, Larson has given a total of around $1.9 million to support Harris's campaign. Now, Ripple is also one of multiple crypto firms fighting SEC Chair Gary Gensler in court.
$1 million.
Legal officer of Uniswap, a decentralized exchange battle.
Let's pause this right here. Creator of Ripple donated $1 million in Ripple coins right in here. It has since gone up 40%. Now, I'm not good at math, but if you take $1 million and you times it times 430%, she got paid a lot of money not to be president. Just saying.
Claims that it violated U.S. securities laws, has also given money to the Harris Action Fund. Anthony Scaramucci of Skybridge Capital, who says that he's among a group of crypto advocates working with Harris to develop her campaign's policies on digital assets, has given to 2 PACs supporting the Democratic nominee. And then there's venture capitalist Ben Horowitz, who maintains a sizable portfolio of crypto companies. The A16Z co-founder and his partner, Mark Andreessen, said in July that they were planning to make significant donations to PACs supporting Donald Trump's run for president. But then last week, Horowitz said that he'd be donating to the vice president's election bid in the latest sign that the crypto industry is starting to get.
Just like that. Oh, how fickle they are with their money. I don't give a fuck who the president is. We owned Ripple down in here. Now Ripple's up here. We're up 437%. And I've been telling everybody in the MFG and the Discord, don't sell shit. Don't sell anything. Don't sell coin. Don't trim Misty, MicroStrategy, Bitcoin Cash, Shiba, Dogecoin, Bitcoin. Don't trim anything. Don't trim anything. Let these damn things run, man. We have a parabolic move. What are you going to do? Give up maybe 5-10% to the downside where you miss the very top? In exchange for that, you could be up 1,000, 2,000, 3,000%. Who knows? It's been so long. Err on the side of making money, okay? Don't get too caught up in top picking. So that's XRP. If you follow me on stock charts, if you click on over, if you go to dashboard here, you come over here and you go to public chart lists right here. Go down. All right. Oh, hold on. Pull it up. Go down. Money flow. Boom, boom. Number 3. Come on, man. Vote for me every day. You got to vote. Let me vote while I'm here. Damn. Let me cast my vote right there. I just cast a vote. Let me vote again. Cast a vote. Oh, it already said I voted. Anyway, in here you can get, and so here's Bitcoin. So if you get my charts, you can see I'm Doji in stage 3 box. But that's what we see right now in XRP, my friends, is a Doji. Let's pull that up. We got the mighty Doji. But you know what? Look, we had one here. We had one here. So we've had 2 of them already, and it kept going. I say ignore the Doji on Ripple and let this thing ripple. Let the Ripple rip, man. I'd rather have it come down some and I give up a little upside than have missed this big historic run. I mean, we got people, they have $500 in this, turn it into 5,000. May not be life-changing to you, but $5,000, boom, you cut 2,500 of that, you transfer to E-Trade, right? Transfer that shit to E-Trade. And then while it's over at E-Trade, you put it into a margin account. That's going to give you access to 4 times. So your 2 could buy 8, but we're not going to buy 8, man. We're going to buy 4. So you take those swing trades, those crypto trades, all those trades, and you turn that shit into income. Come over here and watch this. Let me show you something. Add stage. Watch this. CLM, CRM, these are boring ass closed-end funds, retirement fixed income plays. But look, the dividend is like 20%, pays every month, 1.1, 1.2% a month, okay? A month. And it just gave itself a 14% pay raise going into 2025. And if you notice, that's a majority of this fund. This is from our new newsletter. We got the petersreport.com with the swing trade of the week, killing it, knocking it out of the park. Now we're working on and refining this margin income strategy that we've been working on, where we tier rank the portfolio with the riskiest being the smallest positions. Click down in the notes. You can get on that letter. We've already got people. I've already got dozens of people at 6-figure a year passive income already. So, not me, the strategy. But if we look over here, unrealized gains right now, 17,000. This can get a little wonky when you start dealing in what we're dealing in here. Okay, hold on. 16,000 available withdrawal. I've got some hedges on right now with the big position in TLT and some utility stocks and a few others. This day's gains, I don't have the E-Trade, just I don't know what they're doing there. They're constantly, you have to go to the other app almost every time to see what you're actually thinking. Like today I was up $300 and something day trading, didn't trim a share, and it still had negatives there, but the balance is always right. If you try to talk to them about it, you get some weird ass stories. What was I going to show you here? Oh, let's click estimated income. Bam, $106,073. Let's check for this current week. What am I going to collect? $666.29. Now, the reason that is only that is because Tesla hit last night, and I collected $984 just from Tesla. So the ones that already paid come to about $1,400 for last night, another $666 for today. It's a lot, like $2,000 a week, man. This is the account that I day trade in. So today I made like $300 day trading. On top of that, this week I'm going to collect $2,000 in dividends. All I got to do is not lose more than I collect, and I get paid to day trade. Now, I wouldn't day trade in your second income stream account until you get some trading skills. But do you see the power? That $300, you know what that really made me? It allowed me to buy 900 of the tier 1 funds, the ECCs, the USAs, the YYYs, the GOFs, the BCATs, the BXMXT, the QQY. Those are tier 2s, but you see what I'm saying? And then for the other day I made what, 400 or something. That could be 800 tier 2s. That could be 1,200. And so last week was like 1,900 day trading. Not much, just grind it out, but also swing trades and also dividend collection. So, that's not to say that you can do that every week, but do you see the compounding power? If I make 300, invest it as 900, make 300, invest it as 900, make 300, invest it as 900. Oh, then I get a dividend, invest that as 9. See, so the $980 dividend that was paid by TSLY hits my account, it'll buy up to 4 times. What we try to do is 2 times to create income. All this money people made in Ripple, they could create perpetual income for the rest of their life, or they could just fuck it off and go spend it like a bunch of dumb shits, which is what a lot of them will probably do, by the way. Bitcoin Cash. I've got more in Bitcoin Cash than I do Bitcoin. I think that's fixing to start waking up. Well, it is green right now. So I'm expecting at least a good run back to the 750 range. Let's check Bitcoin itself. I do have some futures trades right now on Shiba, Doge, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin. If you don't know, now you know Coinbase has a futures platform. You can trade oil, gold, silver, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, DOT, XLM. There's a bunch of them you can trade on there. All you got to do is go to your Coinbase account, apply to get approved, move over some money that you can dedicate to just trading futures. And that's what I like to do. Like right now, I'm trading it on a 30-minute chart over here. So if we come over here and we pull it up, remember the money flow is fractal. See, that's the thing about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's fractal. One Satoshi is the tiniest little tiny bit of Bitcoin, right? But so is the money flow. Stage 1, 2, 3, and 4. Everything about trading, everything about the stock market, everything about money, everything about the universe, man. The universe itself is fractal in nature. You know, there's 100 pennies in a dollar, 4 quarters in a dollar. In time, when we have a 5-period exponential, a 10-period exponential, and a 20-period, what? 5 goes into 10, 10 goes into 20, 5 goes into 20. Everything about the stock market and trading is fractal. So if we want to trade more, we can drop down our time. So here's a 30-minute chart. You know, and what am I seeing? If I'm looking at this, let's mark up the chart here. Anchor point got broke but came right back in. Now, if I'm day trading on this kind of time frame, these become my targets. Okay. Why? Price has stopped here before. Wherever prices stop before, it tends to stop again. That's how we get things like support and resistance, and we begin to build out market structure on a chart, you know. So look at this. Price bounces off of this 200. Boom, it went back under. That's kind of bearish, honestly. But we're still in this trade, man. So I think you could easily see it run up to that 97.2, 98, and then hopefully make a push. So I'm in it based on this. And so let me see if it shows my fill price at all. But now it's futures, okay? When you come to futures, people misunderstand that futures were created around industrial farming. Farmers needed a way to hedge themselves or to lock in their price for their corn and their hogs and their soybeans and all that. It's the future price. So right now I'm trading December Bitcoin price. Now in December, Bitcoin already hit 100,000. So in the futures world, in the futures contracts, Bitcoin already hit 100,000. But what we're looking at here is spot price. So this right here is what you call spot price of Bitcoin. This is the price right now. Okay. This is the spot price across of organic Bitcoin, but in the future, prices are different. The chart will look the same. Sometimes that throws people off. Bitcoin doesn't really support much of that unless they've updated it recently. TradeView, I mean, does a little bit better job on that. But see, we could drop Bitcoin down to a 5-minute chart here. We see it breaking down, but let's check Ripple, XRP, USD, 5-minute chart. All right, so on a 5-minute chart, it's come down. Let's check it on a 30-minute chart. So there you go. On a 30-minute chart, you got Ripple coming down. So depending on how tight you wanted to play this, if you're playing it super tight, what do you got here? Support, resistance, right? It's trading in a box there. I would expect it would come down. If it breaks this one, it would go to the next one. All right, that's going to be somewhere right around in there. Another one in here. And the next ones are way down in here. So, yeah. I mean, if I was concerned, if it breaks this $2.66 range, I mean, you might see it pull back down into this 250, 230. I mean, if anything, man, I'm looking to let this thing pull back and add to it. I mean, runs like this just don't quit on one leg. Usually you get a leg up. You get, an ABC run, A to B, C, right? And then A, B, C. We expect more. We should expect, I think, a little more. But, like right in here. Make sure we're look in here. Look in here. All right, so maybe we get one in here. I don't know. I really don't know. But hey, nothing wrong. What does Jim Cramer always say? What is it he always says? Something about pigs get slaughtered, meaning trying to be too greedy. There ain't no fucking such thing as trying to be too greedy. You do what you got to do. You follow your strategy. You follow your system. We ain't seen one red fucking candle. I mean, we haven't seen one bearish candle. It hasn't even gotten below the 5 exponential day moving average. Shit. So anything, bring it down a little bit. I'm looking to add onto here, and we can keep it going. So I'm looking for this thing to keep going. Again, I'm not selling Misty. I'm not selling XRP. I'm not selling Doge or Shiba or Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin. I'm not selling a fucking thing. I'm pushing it. We've been waiting for this for too long. Trump's not even in the presidency. Interest rates are going down. Don't fight the Fed. Boom. Also, this crypto stuff ties directly. I wasn't even showing you the chart. This crypto stuff ties directly into my trade of the week. If you're not on the trade of the week, it's going to be coming out in the morning. I just finished the chart. My research team that helps me going over it. I got 2 analysts that help me, and that is all we do, man. Sit around here analyzing it, using my board on page. If you go to thepetersreport.com, go to page 35. Every Sunday night, I publish my homework. Get on the Substack. But we just launched a brand new. There you go. Hit that QR code right there, man. You can get on thepetersreport.com. Keep up with. We track Bitcoin. We track the top cryptos. We track over 100 plus stocks and over 70 something now. Closed-end funds, REITs, business development company, option incomes, all of the yield max, all of Defiance, running the money flow trading system and strategy over all of those charts every day, building out different portfolios that cater to different playbooks within inside of the money flow trading strategy. And listen, I believe that anybody, regardless of age, race, or current financial situation, if you begin to apply yourself for the next 7 to 10 years, you can get financially free. You might get fucking rich. And if you really apply yourself, I think you could do it in 5. I really do. If you got onto this new stuff we're doing with the second income stream, go down in the show notes. I'll put a link to it. And if you want to take a couple $100 and probably make it back the following week when I show you the 7 stocks to put yourself in so you start earning weekly income. And then I start keeping you up with the mindset, the philosophy, the money flow strategy, and over the 100 plus closed-end funds, REITs, yield max funds, as we tier rank it and proportion it to collect that dividend and roll it forward. And I have just dozens of people who are already at 6 figures, and they've only been doing it for months. Now, they had money. But what I showed them is the way that I've been allocating it. And you're going to have to do it for yourself and see if it's something you want to do. But it's a fast track way, in my opinion, to living independent and free, or at least making your own rules. And God damn it, that's why we're trading. That's why you're fucking doing this. You're not working to just pay fucking bills. You're not living for the fucking weekend so you can just sit on the fucking couch or enjoy yourself and live some hedonistic fucking life of self-pleasure because you hate your job so fucking much. Every day is your day. Every day. And you have everything you need inside of you to be more, to do more, and damn it, to have more. I guarantee it. Hit me up, man. Text me. Get on my this new letter. Get on the trade of the week. Stop spending money on other dumb shit that you're buying, other stupid subscriptions, other stupid groups you're in, right? How many of them got it tattooed and you can call and text them? How many? Probably none. So let's go, man. Stop bullshitting. Get on this with me. Appreciate you.